Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to TechInsight Daily, the channel that brings you the latest and greatest in tech news. And today, we've got a groundbreaking story that's got everyone buzzing. But before we dive in, make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. You might have heard about drones before, but what if I told you the U.S. Air Force is planning to invest billions in AI-driven killer drones? That's right, folks. Today we're talking about the future of warfare and how artificial intelligence is taking the lead. But first, let's break down the details. The Air Force is requesting a massive budgetary allowance to research and construct over 1,000 AI-piloted unmanned aircraft. These drones, like the XQ-58A Valkyrie, could revolutionize the way we conduct military operations. The XQ-58A Valkyrie is more than just a machine. It's a robotic wingman for human-piloted aircraft. It can provide cover, maneuver in challenging scenarios, and even take on suicide missions where human pilots might not return. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie. But here's the kicker. The Valkyrie will soon be put to the test in a simulation. It'll develop its own strategies to chase and eliminate targets all over the Gulf of Mexico. Talk about cutting-edge technology. Let's talk specs, shall we? The Valkyrie can cruise at a mind-blowing 550 mph, soar up to 45,000 feet, and cover an impressive range of 3,000 nautical miles. And that's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to AI-driven warfare. Now here's the real jaw-dropper. The budget estimate for this project, which is still pending congressional approval, stands at a whopping $5.8 billion over 5 years. But here's the catch. The cost of these collaborative combat aircraft ranges from $3 million to $25 million, depending on their classification. But as we dive deeper into this tech marvel, there are ethical concerns. Human rights advocates worry about the future, with machines potentially making life and death decisions. It's like something out of a Terminator movie. Mary Wareham, the advocacy director of the Arms Division of Human Rights Watch, has voiced her concerns, stating that outsourcing killing to machines crosses a moral line. Others, like the Future of Life Institute, have coined the term slaughterbots to describe the risks of AI-driven weapons. Even the United Nations Secretary-General Antonio Guterres has weighed in, calling such machines politically unacceptable and morally repugnant. Will AI-driven killer drones reshape the future of warfare, or are we playing with fire? The debate rages on, and we'll be following this story closely. That's a wrap for today's TechInsight Daily. If you found this video as fascinating as we did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, subscribe for more mind-blowing tech updates. Until next time, stay curious, stay techy.